Here's how to create blog posts with Copy.AI. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First, open your browser and head Copy.AI. Once on the website, sign up or log in using your email or Google account. Now you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you'll see a prompt box. Copy.AI, designed for content creation, offering various prompt types. Click on Browse Prompts. A pop-up will appear. We want to generate content for a blog post. Type blog post in the search box and select blog posts from the options. In the right column, you'll find two arguments, topic and point to focus on. Click the Use Prompt button. Now, let's say we want to create an article about the use of AI in creative applications, with a key focus on the power of AI. Click the arrow button to proceed. We now have a complete article generated using Copy.AI's magic. You can either copy this content as it is or edit it in their rich text editor. The editor provides a range of styling and formatting options. Notice the red lines under some words? That's the Grammarly Chrome extension helping us check grammar and punctuation. Once you've styled your content to perfection, select it all and copy it. Now, open your blog post editor and paste the content. Like magic, all your headings, links, and other settings will be intact. All that's left is to click the Publish button at the top right corner of the screen. And there you have it. Your beautifully crafted blog post is now ready to share with the world.